How to adjust click speed inside button on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to physical and motor section, and you can see here the side button. You'll have to do is tap this. Here in side button, you can see the click speed. And the click speed is set into default. So you can adjust this or select the slow or slowest. So the click speed is adjust the speed required to double or triple click the side button. And for my example, I set into slow the click speed side button of my iPhone X. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust the click speed side button on iPhone X.